Hello guys, ayan bumili tayo ng tatlong turon, 20, itskidi yan. Tapos, bisogo na tuyo, $17. Ayan, 12, yung puto cheese. Ayan, 18, itong kaong. Yung all-purpose is 15. Tapos, itong Nestle, fruit cocktail, magkano yan? $24. Yan lahat yung pinamili natin guys. Ito lang, ito, kaong, fruit cocktail, Nestle cream, puto, tsaka itong tuyo, 86 HKD na yan guys. Hindi kasali yung turon. Yung turon is 20. So, 106. Tapos, gagawa tayo ng macaroni. Hindi pa kasali yan ng macaroni, tsaka yung mayonnaise, tsaka yung condensed milk.